Zoex.net. Lesson 1. Creating a console application in Visual Studio 2019. For this lesson, you will need to have Visual Studio 2019 installed. To begin, open the Start menu and find the icon for Visual Studio 2019. Left-click the icon to open Visual Studio. This opens the dialog shown here. Next, left-click Create a New Project in the dialog. This opens the Create a New Project dialog as shown. Find the C++ Console App Project template and left-click it. Then left-click the Next button to go on. This opens the Configure Your New Project dialog as shown. Enter Hello World or whatever you like as the project name. Then choose the location where you would like to create the project. When you are ready, left-click the Create button. This opens the new Console C++ project as shown. The code is automatically included in the code file for the Hello World program as shown here. From the menu bar, left-click Debug and left-click Start Without Debugging in the submenu to compile and execute the program. Now the program should run and open the black console window with the message Hello World displayed as shown.